Salam sejahtera to Ma'am Emily and my fellow friends. Today our group will present about the exploring sleep patterns and academic performance. So, I will talking about our research question. Our descriptive research question is what is the average hours of sleep of ZB03 Year 2 students? And next, our inferential research question is there a relationship between sleep patterns and academic performance? Next is a hypothesis. Our null hypothesis is there is no relationship between sleep patterns and academic performance. Our alternative hypothesis is the better quality of sleep patterns, the better academic performance. Okay, so next I'm gonna talk about the material and the methods. So who is participating in this research? There are 29 students from ZB03, that is the students from Language Center, to answer our questionnaire. And the procedure is our group member Wani will spread the form to our classmates' personal WhatsApp chat box. So and she will make sure they are already answer the questionnaire. So the instruments we use is the Google form, contain 3 sections, which is section ABC, and include 17 items.
Next, we move to demographic data based on Google form that we had placed last week. 62.1% from our classmates is 22 years old, and the blue color, 31% is 21 years old, and the others is 23 and 24 years old. Then, as you can see clearly, the gender is almost half and half. We move to educational level. 69% in our classes is STPM students. The second most educational level is Asasi, and 2 others educational level is Metric and STEM.
Okay, next I will explain about current GPA. Based what our group got last week in Google form. In our class have a good pointer which is 2.0 until 4.0. But of this pointer have a same which is 48.3. Only have a few percent got 1.0 until 2.0. The percent is 3.4%. Okay. Last, for demographic question is average hour of sleep. In our class have a good enough of sleep, which is 4 until 8. Many of them get enough of sleep, which is 4 until 6, which is have a 58.6%, and the second one is 6 until 8, which is 41.4%. And the last one is 8 until 10. Nobody have sleep at that time, because if them sleep at that time, the body will get weak or so on. That's all for me.
Okay, so we continue to the analysis data. Just now the demography, and now is the analysis of data from the SPSS. And this session I will explain section B, which is sleep patterns, and section C, which is relationships between sleep patterns and academic performance. Okay, so for the section B, sleep patterns, okay, so our groups get the highest mean, which is 3.03, lowest mean 2.6, and the total of the mean that we get, which is 18,013. And the highest mode that we get from the our data, which is 5.00, and the lowest mode from the data is 2.00. and the total mode that we have, which is 17.00. Okay, so we continue to the section C, which is relationships between sleep patterns and academic performance. Okay, so the data that we get based on the questionnaire that we use, and the highest mean that we get, which is 4.1, and the lowest mean is 3.2. Sorry, and the total mean is 20.48. And next to the mode, which is highest mode that we get from the data, which is 4.00, and the lowest mode is 2.00. So the total mode that we get from data is 20.0. Okay, so that's all from our group. Thank you, ma'am.
So for the last part from our presentation, I'm gonna talk about our null hypothesis, which is there is no relationship between sleep patterns and academic performance is accepted because the pointer is lower than 0.05. So the null hypothesis from our research is accepted. So that's all from our group. Thank you.